Good morning. I had a nice hot shower this morning. Yesterday I tried and the water was just kind of tepid, so it was just more of a spritz than a shower. But this morning I got a shower. I'm going to make some coffee. We have the electric here, but it's kind of high and this cord is short. So Natalie kindly offered me to use her power strip. I'm going to fill up some water. Ooh. That looks good. Has a little bit of condensation on it. Let's wipe that off. All right, that's on. While the water is heating up, I'm going to get the coffee ready to go. I rinsed out my mug yesterday. This is the pop-up coffee strainer. It just comes flat like that, and you pop it up. Put in a coffee filter. I'll put some coffee in. Yesterday I used 4 heaping scoops and that worked pretty well, so I'm going to do that again today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it's so open, the water just goes down really quickly. But sometimes with the filters, the coffee is in there for a long time, just brewing before it finally drips out slowly. This drips out quickly, so I think I need to use more coffee in the filter than I normally would. I forgot to get sweetener. Got sweetener. Since it's just wire, the sweetener just falls right through. This is almost boiling. After I make the coffee, I'm gonna pack up. So as I mentioned yesterday, I'm gonna go and do a little shopping on the way to visit my father and then get to Lulu's get together. I'm charging my power station. I'm gonna refill my water jug because where we're going to Lulu's get together, there's no water and no electricity. And we're going to be there for 3 nights. So I'll need to stock up on water. I drink a lot of water. So I have the little Bluetti and I have the big Servo Master. I have 2 solar panels and I have the connector to put them together so the solar panels charge the power station faster. I'll put a link to that in the description. The water boiled. Yay! So let's make some coffee. Ooh, it's a little shaky. So like I said, this pours through really quickly. I have a lot of dry coffee up on the top here that I'm trying to pour the water onto. There we go. Now all of it's moistened. I used to drink Cafe Bustelo, and I love Cafe Bustelo, but it started getting really popular, so the price doubled and then tripled. I found a new coffee, El Dorado, and I was buying it from Walmart, which was really cheap, and then it started getting popular and it doubled in price. I found that there's a supermarket near my house that sells it for the price that Walmart was selling it at originally. So I bought a whole bunch of them, and I have a whole bunch of them in my cabinet at home. After those run out, I'll just have to suck it up and pay higher price for coffee. Ooh, that's handy. Squeezing out the filter with the metal filter. Throw that out. And I just want to dry this off before I put it away. And it collapses down just like that. Put it back in its box. Collapse down the kettle. Now we're going to be leaving, so I want to pack everything away. Oh, I forgot to need to take off the handle or it won't go down. My safety feature. All right, these are ready to go back in my bin, and I'm gonna finish packing up and be on my way. I was trying to decide whether I should get a second body pillow or change my mattress, because I've been sleeping okay, but not great. Not like that first night where I was just so exhausted that I fell asleep and I was nice and warm and I had no issues. But since then, it's kind of been, yeah. So I tried a second pillow, the pillow for my head. I tried that next to me like it was a body pillow. And it was really tight on that 24-inch mattress. So I think I'm going to change the mattress. And I was driving along and I was looking for a Dollar Tree and I saw the sign for Dollar Tree and I go to pull in and I see Joann's. So I'm going to get a mattress. I'm going to lay on it on the floor just to make sure that it's really comfortable. I think I'm going to get either a 4-inch or a 5-inch. I'll see. I'll see once I'm in there. I got a big ass piece of foam. They only had the 4-inch as the thickest one, not the 5-inch or 6-inch. So decision made for me since I didn't want to get two separate pieces. The foam is loaded in my van. I haven't had much exercise in the last few days because I've been either driving or just hanging out at the campground. So I'm gonna set off on foot to find the Dollar Tree. I found Dollar Tree. It was all the way down the other end of the next plaza down. So I took off at a good clip so that I could get some, real good exercise in the short walk. It was just like a 5-minute walk, but it was good. My heart rate went up a little bit during the walk there and the walk back. So I'm on to my father's place now. Entering the villages. Spanish Springs. Here's the hospital, which is right across the street from where my dad lives. Looks like I need to be this way so that I can back in. Good. Hello, Laura. After I parked the van, I went with all the gals and had a fantastic time. I don't have any footage from the rest of the night because I was just enjoying myself, not worrying about filming anything. Catch up with you another day. Thanks for watching.